AGV-12 payload stabilized. Governor synchronization reading normal.
Confirmed. Divert to processing bay 4.
Before the transformation begins, these massive high-purity alloy billets undergo rigorous laser inspection to confirm quantity and batch numbers.
Temperature curve holding steady at 1200 Celsius.
Acknowledged. Initiating stabilization sequence now.
Focus on the molten pool of purified titanium aluminum alloy within the VM. Robotic sensors dip slightly into the
Please. Guided by these rollers, the continuous sheet of purified alloy undergoes annealing, removing internal stresses.
Moving further down the line, the fully machined nacelle skeletons approach the assembly bay, where specialized integration.
The integration phase is complete. We are verifying the acoustic shielding now.
Confirmed. The governor assembly is clear.
This component is the brain of the propeller system, responsible for maintaining precise RPM and synchronization across the four-bladed system.
Applying multi-stage torque profile. Synchronization complete. All fastening parameters confirmed within specifications.
Confirmed alignment sequence Alpha 7.
Sequence confirmed. Beginning slow rotation.
Clear on the starboard side, governor pressure stabilizing.
The final connection between the hydraulic governor and the pitch mechanism is critical for instantaneous pitch response.
All systems green for ignition sequence.
Confirmed. Pressurizing fuel lines.
The thermal signature looks completely stable across the nacelle. Confirmed. Uniform heat distribution suggests efficient cooling.
Here we see the highly automated process of the Antonov An-24 engine nacelle assembly and propeller governor synchronization.
With Process A definitively complete, we move to the stacks of purified titanium alloy, ready for the next stage of manufacturing in Process B.
We are monitoring the curing cycle closely. The pressure reading here confirms the vacuum bag integrity at peak temperature.
The high-speed CNC router trims the final perimeter of the structural panel, demonstrating the precision required for the Antonov An-24's engine assembly.
Robotic spray nozzles apply a clear, UV-resistant protective coating over the carbon fiber, enhancing durability.
Engines. The laser etcher inscribes the panel's specific part number and batch code. This final traceability mark confirms.
Antonov An-24 engine machine requires specialized heat.
Tighten the straps evenly. We need zero tolerance for movement on these composite panels.
Manifest and handling instructions are all here.
Temperature confirmed. The seals are secure. Signed.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now. Clear on the left. All right, hold it right there. Perfect.
Surelets. Ensuring full traceability is paramount. The engineer verifies the Process B composite panels, confirm.
Check the governor linkage on engine 2.
Reading synchronization is stable at 98%. The new panels are secure.
Clear the left side, slow and steady. Copy that, moving to taxiway.
The structural components manufactured in Process B perform their critical, load-bearing function under maximum stress. Notice the stability provided to the aerospace-grade carbon composite floor panels, ensuring passenger comfort even at cruising altitude.